Hi guys, my name is Niara and today I'm going to be showing you how I highlight with the Champagne and Rosé shades from Subtle Beauty. Got my stack here. I always keep my highlighter shades at the top because I feel like it's more of like close to like the last steps for me. Use both of these shades. I'm probably going to use Rosé a little bit more so on my cheeks because it'll blend in more with like my rosy blush, and Champagne I'll be using on my eyes. So first, to start off, when you're applying highlight, I typically find like the best light to apply highlight in is natural light. We're obviously not natural light today because it's super gloomy and rainy out, so there's really not that much light I could get from outside. But if you're able to, definitely try to apply it in natural light because you'll just get a much better look. I have my eyes done, but I haven't really finished like the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna be using a small little brush, this, and just gonna be placing that in my inner corners just to finish off my eyeshadow. And Champagne is a bit more of a golden tone, so goes with my eyeshadow look I'm doing today. I actually think I'm gonna mix Rosé and Champagne together. I like to apply my highlight at the highest point of my cheeks, so my cheekbones up here. I don't apply it down here on the apples of my cheeks. I just don't like that look for me personally. And then I just kind of drag it up. The very highest point, I usually start right here, and then I just might drag it down a little, but mostly keep it up here. And whenever I apply my highlight, I always go back with a damp beauty blender just to make sure it's all blended and that everything is like blending together nicely. I'm going to do it down the bridge of my nose, highlight a lot on the tip of my nose. I call this the Rudolph look because you're kind of just like beaming from your nose. Do some on our chin and a tiny bit on our forehead, just on the sides. Maybe like a little bit on the side of your nose, just because like if you turn, catch an angle, like you want to get the highlight from all the angles, you know? I'm going with my sponge again, just make sure nothing is harsh. So that is how I'm highlighting these days. I also have a YouTube channel. If you search Niara Alexis, it should come up. I do a lot of beauty videos there as well. And if you want, go follow me on Instagram. My name is @NiaraAlexis. I do a lot of exclusive mini tutorials on my page there as well. And thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time.